Before I leave this little illustration, I'm just going to show you how we suggest you add things like fascias, gutters and roof cappings. Always start in 3D if you can. I might just turn off the section box to get a bit more clearness of the space. Just for this purpose, I'm just going to change the roof to 25 degrees just to make it easier. If you go into the content browser, you will see we've got quite a list of things that are useful to you. If we just close down the roofs, go back up to here and have a look at this. We have fascias and we have roof fascias timber. Let's just start with this, for example. If we drag the roof fascia onto the screen, what it's doing is it's already beginning to make the fascia. So I'm just going around the edge of the roof, and of course they always start the wrong way around. There you go. Now it's very easy to now add a gutter. Now Revit has a gutter command which we recommend you don't use. What we find is better is to actually make gutters out of fascias. So if you use this as we've got here, let's just start with something like this. We'll drag and drop this onto the screen, and you can see it's now begun the command for gutters. And of course they just wrap right around. I have to zoom in over here, that's just so I can see what I'm doing, and then I'll just spin the model around so I can see what I'm doing again. And there's the gutter. Cancel out of that. Now the beauty of this is we've also given you the most amazing method of making a roof look real. Let's start with, look, I've just made the roof 25 degrees, so here's this. Let's start with a ridge. Click and drag that onto the screen. I'll have to zoom to fit because I can't see the ridge. Click on that. Your ridge is done. While we're there, within this you'll also see things like the hips. It's already preset to the right angle for you. Let it overwrite. Click on that, click on that. And did you notice they just mitered to each other at the top there? We suggest you restart the fascia for the other hips that are in the roof. Otherwise they become part of each other and it can be a bit confusing. Now as you can see, the ends of the cap look a bit weird, don't they? So click on it, modify the mitering, choose horizontal, click on the end, and hey presto, your roof can look pretty special.